Deadline tomorrow? Frustrated about your university project? 95% of students overcomplicate project websites. What if I say that you can build a professional website in just 1 minute? Here's how to stand out in your class without writing a single line of code. First of all, you need to open your browser and type Ready.AI. Once the site opens, click on the first link that appears. As soon as you click it, scroll down a little and you will see a Get Started button. Click on this button. After this, a pop-up will appear asking you to either sign in or create an account. Once you are signed in, a tab will open where you will be asked what kind of project you want to create. Here, you just need to type the name of your project. Once you click the OK button, a new text field will appear. In this field, you will write a description of your project, explaining what kind of project it should be and what features you want to include. I will now write my project description in this field, then click on the send button. Now the AI will read your description and generate a preview explaining how it plans to create your website. If you want to make any changes, there will be a text field below where you can enter the specific changes you want. Then click the generate button, and in just a few seconds, the website will start generating automatically. Look, the website has started generating. Once it's fully generated, take a moment to view it carefully. If you want to make any changes, there's a text field at the bottom right where you can request edits. For example, if you want to say, I don't like the color and you want to change it, just write it in the text box and the AI will change it. I have entered my request here because I want some animations on the home page and a neon effect. Now look, the website is ready. Let me show you the full view. You can see how amazing this website looks. All the text is written perfectly, animations are working, and the style is dynamic. It has automatically added images and designed everything in a unique and creative way. If you want to change anything, like a box, some text, or even a simple button, you can click on the select area option. Just click on select area, then highlight the specific part you want to change. Then type your new instruction in the text field and click send. The changes will be applied exactly how you want. After this, if you want to export it, you can export, but for that you will need a subscription. So to avoid this, you have to click on the code button. As soon as you click on the code button, the code of this website will appear in front of you. You have to copy this code and paste it into your editor. And then when you run this code on your system, the website will automatically run on your system. In this way, you can use it freely. And if you want to download it, there is also a download option along with it, through which you can also download it. This is just the beginning of what AI can do. Hit that like button if the video amazed you even a little, and tell me in the comments what should we build next. See you in the next one.